Friends, if you guys also want to add text animation inside CapCut, then this video is for you guys. You must watch this video till the end. First of all, open CapCut and add any text here. To add text, click on T icon. After adding text, here's how you guys will add animation on your text. After adding text, click above the animation to add the animation. To add animation, select any animation here which you like. Now I will select whatever I like here. Here I liked this one, so I selected it. In this way, you can select any animation as per your wish. In this way, you can add animation on text in CapCut. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.